In this video, I'll show you how you can easily make $100 a day with the Bluehost affiliate program. And by the way, my WordPress website is hosted on Bluehost, just for you to know. And I use DVD to customize it. This is the Bluehost back office, and it's easy to use. The reason why it's easy to make money with the Bluehost is that they are always doing promotion. Don't worry. To sign up, just scroll down all the way to the bottom and click on affiliates. As you can tell, affiliate program, join our affiliate team. You will get $65 for each qualified sign up referral. All it takes is to make 2 sales. That's why it's so easy to make money with this platform. The question is how? The first step to make money with this program is to do your research. You can use Shine Ranker. I'll drop the link and you can check it out. You can use YouTube. Also, you can use vidIQ. The best way to do this is, if you have vidIQ, you come here, search for keywords. People who will be searching for this, they are ready to create a website. You type how to start a blog and you enter, find out easy keyword, click on this and click competition. Check this out. You see Bluehost, very low. That means you have to create a blog about Bluehost, or let's say Bluehost versus GoDaddy, stuff like that. And how to start a blog. See right here, how to start a blog, and Bluehost start a blog. That's not the right way to put it. You can put how to start a blog with Bluehost and stuff like that. Okay, WordPress blog, blogging niches, and this is the way you can drive traffic to the product. When you create your blog, somewhere around your blog, then you're gonna have to embed the link. Okay, and that is the right way to do it. And I'll show you the best traffic to use for this product, but just in a minute. These are some of the ways you can use this tool as well if you want. And the best is to use YouTube, because YouTube and Google, they are the same. If you can rank on YouTube, that means you can rank on Google. And if you can rank on Google, you can rank on YouTube easily. Let's say if you type best WordPress hosting, then you click here. Yeah, you see this guy, best web hosting for WordPress. And as you can tell, there's Bluehost. Okay, Bluehost is right. He's comparing it with other hosting companies, and this is how you do it. And the best is when you do the versus. Okay, let's say SiteGround versus Bluehost, HostGator versus Bluehost, PP Engine versus Bluehost. But the tip here is you're gonna create the content. When you create your content, let the keyword you are targeting start first. For example, Bluehost versus GoDaddy, something like that. And you can tell we have a whole bunch on this. You can create a topic on this. You can use social media traffic, because you have to do something. You can do Bluehost review. And to my experience, YouTube is the best traffic method by far. There's another method that I'll show you, and people underestimate this traffic, and that is Pinterest. People don't pay attention to this platform, but you can get a lot of traffic with this site. People on this platform are bloggers, affiliate marketers, and stuff like that. You need a landing page or an opt-in page just to capture their email addresses, and you can follow up. Another traffic method you can use is Facebook, but trust me, Facebook, they can kick you out at any time. Similar to TikTok. Now, TikTok is really sensitive with promotions and make money and affiliate marketing and stuff like that. You have to be cautious in the way you use TikTok as well. You need to do research and join groups with similar interests and create content about this blog, about this product. And that's how you can drive traffic to your affiliate link, because it's all about driving precise traffic to your affiliate link. Okay, don't join people who are interested in YouTube to promote Bluehost. You have to join people who are interested in creating website or starting a blog to promote Bluehost. That's how you do it. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.